got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, make it clap. I got 3 old guys on the block, bitches on my line, and you know.
The story of Sangkuriang begins in heaven, where there was a pair of gods and goddesses who were sentenced to become animals and serve their time on earth. The god, the god was transformed into a male dog named Situmang, and the goddess became a botany wilborn named Cheleng Wayung Hyang. Then one day there was a king named Suging Perbangkara. One morning, when he went hunting in the middle of the forest, he suddenly wanted to urinate, and the king drew it in coconut shell. Not long after, the wilbur Wayung Hyang came in state of extreme thirst. He also drank the water in the coconut shell. Suddenly, wilbur Wayung Hyang became pregnant and gave birth to a very beautiful daughter. When Raja Suging Perbangkara saw him, he immediately picked up the beautiful baby and took him home to the palace. The king named his beautiful daughter Dayang Sumbi or Rarasati. Dayang Sumbi grew up to be a very beautiful girl, so many kings wanted to line up to be her husband. However, Dayang Sumbi rejected all marriage proposals. In fact, the king who fought over Dayang Sumbi were even willing to fight to win her heart. You know, because she felt tired of all the proposals that came her way. Dayang Sumbi decided to exile herself to the forest. In the forest, Dayang Sumbi was accompanied by a dog named Situmang. One day, when Dayang Sumbi was weaving to cloth fell and she felt too lazy to pick it up. She also made a promise to herself that whenever man took her clothes, so she will marry him. However, if a woman helps him, he will make her a sister. It turned out it was Situmang who took Dayang Sumbi clothes. Dayang Sumbi did not break her promise. She made Situmang her husband. From this marriage, Dayang Sumbi and Situmang gave birth to a son named Sangkuriang. When Sangkuriang grew into a teenager, Dayang Sumbi gave him the task of hunting there. Sangkuriang, when hunting accompanied by Situmang, they sat around waiting for prey animal to pass by them, but none came. Suddenly, Sangkuriang saw a fat wilbur. Sangkuriang ordered Situmang to chase and chase it. However, Situmang refused because the wilbur that Sangkuriang saw was by the Wayung Hyang. Sangkuriang also trained Situmang with his arrow and he accidentally let it go. He also accidentally killed Situmang, and Sangkuriang felt panicked and killed Situmang to take his heart. After that, Sangkuriang returned home and handed the heart over to his mother, thinking that what she received was their liver. Dayang Sumbi cooked it and ate it. However, after finding out that what she had eaten was Situmang liver, Dayang Sumbi was furious with Sangkuriang. Dayang Sumbi hit her son's head with a rice spoon made of wood, causing Sangkuriang head to be injured. Sangkuriang felt afraid. He finally left the house and Dayang Sumbi. After being away from home for a long time, Sangkuriang grew into a strong and powerful adult man. One day he wandered until he didn't realize it. He had walked to the place where Dayang Sumbi was. Sangkuriang fell in love with Dayang Sumbi, with beauty, and didn't know that the woman he loved was his own mother. When Sangkuriang intended to marry her, Dayang Sumbi of course refused because he knew that the man who wanted to propose to her his son. Dayang Sumbi also gave Sangkuriang impossible condition if he wanted wanted to be her husband because she believed that her son could not fulfill this wish. Dayang Sumbi request was that she wanted to make a boat and a lake which had to be complete in just one night. By stemming the flow of the Citarium River, in fact, Sangkuriang agreed to his condition. Dayang Sumbi was afraid that Sangkuriang could finish it and asking Seng Hyang Tunggal to throw Sangkuriang effort. He also hit the pestle into the mortar as if he was pounding rice to be a siege that dawn had arrived. Finally, the spirit of Sangkuriang men became afraid and left before completing their task because they thought the sun would sunshine. Because he failed to fulfill Dayang Sumbi requirements. Sangkuriang became angry when berserk and kicked to the boat he had made north.